Welcome to my Nuxt Kick Clone tutorial. In this course, we'll rebuild the Kick streaming platform UI UX using Nuxt 3. Step by step, we'll focus on creating a smooth, modern experience that feels close to the real thing. Here's what we'll be covering: homepage and navigation, designing the main landing page with a search bar and navigation links. Channel search, letting users search for channels and display results dynamically. Channel pages, creating individual channel pages with live previews and details. Browse section, building the browsing experience to explore categories and discover new creators. UI components, buttons, cards, and reusable layouts that keep the design clean and scalable. Along the way, we'll dive deep into UI/UX decisions, responsive layouts, and performance tweaks. In the next video, we'll extend this by connecting it to a backend server so we can fetch real data and make the app fully dynamic. Let me know in the comments which backend technology you'd like me to use. I'll check your suggestions before building it. If you're ready, let's jump right in and get started.